Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a DIY skincare for my face. So the first thing I have here is some Vaseline, and this is the healing petroleum jelly. I am going to use some of this, and then I am also going to use some aloe vera gel, smoothing gel, and this is natural and 92% aloe vera gel. This is from the beauty supply. So I just bought this because sometimes you know I don't want to go outside to get the other aloe vera unless I go to the grocery store. Let's see, this is how it look. So I'm gonna take out a teaspoon of aloe vera gel and put in this container here. And also I am going to use some of this petroleum jelly on my skin, and I use a lot of petroleum jelly on my skin. I also use aloe vera. It's good for moisturizing your skin. It's also good for younger looking skin and hydration. So I'm mixing up the two together, you guys, and I am going to put this on my face, mixing up the two together, which I am going to put on my face here. So I just put something over me to cover me because I don't want to get messed up. I'm gonna, after this, take a shower. So I like to put stuff on my face before I shower. So anyway, I am going to use the aloe vera gel, and you can use the aloe vera in your hair. If you don't have the leaf one, you can buy this one and also put it in your hair. So I'm also gonna put some underneath my neck, and I'm just gonna leave it here for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to wash it off. So I picked up this I picked up this at Walmart. It used 2 battery, come with 4 pieces into it. I think one of the pieces has fell off, so I am going to use this to massage the product in my face. And I'm doing circular motion with this. You can see underneath my eyes get a little bit dark. I don't know, because I'm inside and I don't go out. Like I have some pigmentation on my cheek here. So you can see I'm taking off this one, and I also gonna put on another one, this one here on it. I'm just gonna use this. So I'm gonna keep this on for 10 minutes, and then I'll take it off and show you. So guys, 10 minutes. See my face. I'm going to use a damp, warm washcloth. That's gonna just clean off the excesses of my face and underneath my neck. I like DIY treatment. It's natural. especially when I make it from home. I love to have DIY treatment on my face. So if you have leftover, you can put it in your refrigerator so it doesn't get spoiled and you. So this is my face here. And if I don't want to put nothing like any moisturizing cream, it's okay because my face is already feel moisturized and hydrate. But I like to make DIY at home. So I am going to use some of my turmeric, shea butter, and coconut oil, avocado oil, and also um, olive oil, shea butter mix that I have. I mix and have it here for my skin. I'm just gonna use a bit of it on my face here, you guys. So this is these little thing that you see in there is the aloe, is the turmeric. So I'm just gonna put a bit, and you know turmeric help brighten the skin. I'm just gonna put a bit of it on my face here. You can see how moisturized this look. You don't have to use a lot, just a small amount. Just put a little bit over here over my forehead and just blend it in my skin, my eyes. My skin is already moisturized. You can see how moisturized my skin is. And this is my cream for the night. So even as soon as I take a shower, I don't have to put on any more moisturizing on my skin. So I want to say thank you so much again for watching, you guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, turn on notification that when I upload, you can be notified.